Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Good morning, Tom. Do you have a minute to talk about my daily routine at work?
Good morning, Alice. Yes, I have time. Please tell me about your routine.
Thank you. I want to share my daily schedule and ask for your advice.
Of course, I am happy to help. What time do you start work?
I arrive at the office at 8:30 a.m. I usually take the bus and reach on time.
That is good. What do you do when you arrive?
First, I check my emails and read the news for a few minutes. Then I plan my tasks for the day.
Planning is important. What tasks do you work on in the morning?
I work on reports and data entry. I also make some phone calls to our clients.
That sounds busy. Do you take a break?
Yes, I take a short break at 10:30 a.m. I go to the kitchen and have a cup of coffee.
Coffee helps to stay awake. What do you do after your break?
After the break, I continue with my work. I attend meetings and work on presentations.
Meetings are important. How long do they usually last?
Most meetings last about 30 minutes. I try to take notes so I remember the key points.
That is a good habit. What do you do for lunch?
I take a lunch break at 12:30 p.m. I usually eat a sandwich and some fruit.
Eating healthy is important. When do you return to work?
I return to my desk at 1 p.m. and check my emails again.
What do you work on in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I finish my reports and update our project files. I also help my colleagues if they need support.
It is nice to help others. Do you have another break in the afternoon?
I take a short break at 3:30 p.m. I walk around the office to stretch my legs.
That is a good idea. Stretching helps to reduce tiredness. When do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m. before I leave. I check my tasks to see if I completed everything.
Checking your tasks is a good way to stay organized. What do you do after work?
After work, I go home and spend time with my family. I also read a book or watch TV.
That sounds relaxing. Do you work on any tasks at home?
Sometimes I check my emails or plan for the next day, but I try to keep work and free time separate.
That is very important. A clear routine helps you to balance work and personal life. Do you feel your routine is effective?
Yes, I feel that my routine helps me to be organized and productive. I also try to follow a schedule every day.
Following a schedule is a good habit. It makes your day clear and reduces stress.
I agree. I use a planner to write down my tasks and appointments.
That is a great idea. A planner can help you remember important tasks.
Tom, do you have any advice to improve my routine?
I think your routine is good, but you can try to plan some time for learning new skills. For example, you can read a short article or watch a training video during your breaks.
That is a good suggestion. I want to learn more about my job and improve my skills.
Also, make sure to set short term goals. This will help you to see your progress every day.
I will try to set small goals. For example, I can decide to complete one report and learn one new word each day.
That is an excellent plan. Small goals make big tasks easier.
Thank you, Tom. I appreciate your advice.
You are welcome, Alice. I am happy to help. I see you work hard every day. Keep it up.
I will. I want to be a good employee and also have time for my family and hobbies.
Balancing work and personal life is very important. Make sure to take time for yourself.
Yes, I plan to spend more time on my hobbies. I like reading and painting.
That is wonderful. Hobbies help you relax and be creative.
Tom, can we talk about our team meetings? I want to know if you think they are effective.
Yes, I think our team meetings are important. They help us share ideas and plan our work.
I agree, but sometimes I feel the meetings are too long. I want to suggest that we keep them short and to the point.
That is a good idea. Short meetings can help us save time and focus on our tasks.
Maybe we can set a timer for 30 minutes. This way, everyone knows the time limit.
I like that suggestion. I will try to speak with the team about it.
Thank you, Tom. I believe that small changes can make our work more efficient.
Yes, even small changes can have a big impact. I appreciate your feedback.
I want to help our team improve. I believe we can work better if we communicate clearly.
Good communication is key to a successful team. I always encourage my team to share their ideas.
I feel comfortable talking with you and my colleagues. That makes work more pleasant.
I am glad to hear that. A friendly work environment helps everyone to do their best.
Tom, can we also talk about my workload? I want to make sure I am not overworking.
Yes, of course. How do you feel about your current tasks?
I feel that my tasks are manageable, but sometimes I get busy with many small details.
It is normal to feel busy. Try to prioritize your tasks. Work on the most important ones first.
I try to do that. I use my planner to list my tasks by priority.
That is a good habit. If you ever feel overwhelmed, please let me know. I can help you adjust your workload.
Thank you, Tom. I appreciate your support. I want to do my best, but also keep a good work life balance.
Balance is very important. Make sure to take breaks and not work too late.
I will. I try to leave the office on time every day.
That is good. Working too much can lead to stress. It is important to relax after work.
Yes, I like to walk in the park and spend time with my family in the evening.
That sounds very nice. A little exercise and family time help you to recharge.
Tom, I have one more question. Do you think I should change anything in my daily routine?
Your routine is very good, but you can always look for ways to improve. For example, you can plan a few minutes in the morning to review your goals for the day.
That is a great idea. I will try to spend 5 minutes each morning to think about what I want to achieve.
Also, consider setting aside time each week to reflect on your work. Ask yourself what went well and what you can improve.
I will start a weekly review. That will help me to see my progress.
I am happy to hear that. Small changes can make your routine even better.
Thank you for your advice, Tom. I feel more confident about my daily schedule.
You are welcome, Alice. I am always here to help. Remember, a good routine can lead to success and happiness.
I agree. I will continue to work hard and also take time for myself.
That is the right attitude. Keep up the good work and do not forget to enjoy your free time.
I will. Thank you for listening to me today.
It was my pleasure, Alice. I am glad we had this conversation. It helps me to know that my team is working well and is happy.
I feel lucky to have a manager like you. You always support us and encourage us to improve.
Thank you, Alice. I believe that a good manager listens to his team and helps them grow.
I have learned a lot from you. I will try to follow your example and be a good team member.
You are already a great team member, Alice. Keep learning and sharing your ideas.
I will. I want to help our team be the best it can be.
Together, We can make our work environment positive and productive.
Yes, I believe that. Thank you again for your time, Tom.
You are welcome, Alice. I am always here if you want to talk. Have a good day and keep up the good work.
Thank you, Tom. I hope you have a great day too.
Great job! Do you want to practice your English and become more fluent? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our free English conversations. See you in the next video.